Hello friends, I am Professor Shivaji Walke. In today's session of Trading of Agricultural Commodity First, we are going to learn about marketing of important pulses crop in India. And that marketing of gram, marketing of red gram, marketing of black gram and marketing of green gram. So we'll start with introduction. Pulses are one of the important food crops globally due to its high protein content, that is nearly about 20 to 25%. These pulses are the major important food crops due to its high protein contents. Okay, majorly for vegetarian peoples, it is an important part in their diet for protein purpose. Okay, then India is largest producer, largest importer and largest consumers for pulses throughout the world. Okay, then some major pulses grown in India like chickpea, then pigeon pea, that is tur or arhar, then moog, that is green gram, urid, that is black gram, masoor, pea. These are the important pulses which are grown or majorly consumed in India. Then major part of India for pulses productions: Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Telangana and coastal part of Andhra Pradesh. These are the major areas for production of pulses crops. Then assembling means what? Procurement of pulses crops. For the purpose of procurement of pulses involved various marketing agencies like producer, then the processors, then dal millers, okay, then village merchant, wholesalers. Okay, these are the assembling agents or these are the marketing functionaries who involved for the purpose of assembling the pulses crops. Now some major markets for particular pulses. Here for gram in MP we have Divas market, then Suljapur market, Gunna market, Ashoknagar market. In Maharashtra we have at market at Ahmednagar, Nagpur, Murud and Jalna. In Rajasthan we have Alwar, Kota, Sidhpur, Gangapur. These are the major important markets for gram in India. Okay, state-wise. Then for red gram we have in Maharashtra we have market at Jamkhed, Karjat, Kopargaon, Nevasa, Parner, Pathardi, Rahuri, Sanganer. Means these are all markets situated at Ahmednagar district itself. Okay. Then Karnataka. In Karnataka state we have market at Siddham, Gulbarga, Bidar, Raichur, Yadgir, Sorapur, Guveri, Bidner. These are the major assembling markets in Karnataka states. Then in case of MP, market at Jabalpur, Shalpura, Katni, Gatwarna. Then these are the major important market in Madhya Pradesh states for red gram crops. Means from this one we can say for gram MP is top one, then Maharashtra, then Rajasthan. In case of red gram, Maharashtra is top one, then Karnataka and MPs. Okay, and these are the some markets. This is only for your reference purpose. Okay, then in case of green gram at Maharashtra we have market at Parbhani, Gangakhed, Jittur, Manved, Purna, Selu and Pather. These are the major markets for green gram in Maharashtra states. Then at Rajasthan we have market at Nagapur, Metru, Kuchinam City, Tonak, Malapura, Ajmer, Kikri and Jodhpur. These are the major markets in Rajasthan. Then Karnataka, Bangalore, Mysore, Gulbarga, Sedam, Gulbarga, Yadgir. These are the major markets for green gram crops in India. Okay, first one top in Maharashtra, then Rajasthan and Karnataka. In case of black gram we have market at Andhra Pradesh. In cities like Kothapeta, Ambuje, Petam, Rajmandri, Tuni, Ongals, Kadnam, Kondapi, Santanupatti, then Bapatla and Rapelis. These are the major markets for black gram in Andhra Pradesh states. Then in Maharashtra, Nanded, and Latur. These are the major markets for black gram crops. Okay, then at Uttar Pradesh, Chandusi, Kanpur, Allahabad, Janjashis, Chirgaon, Gusaral. These are the major markets for black gram in UP states. Okay, Andhra is one, top one, then followed by Maharashtra and UP. So this is about the assembling major markets for pulses crops. Okay, now transportation. How the movement of pulses is takes place from one place to another place. This structure is almost same for cereals and pulses crops because these are the less perishable items. Okay, in case of vegetables or fruit crops, this transportation means or transportation means might change. Okay, at farmer level, for taking the product from field to village markets or primary markets, you use head load, then pack on animal, bullock cart, tractor trolleys. Okay, at trader or miller levels, for bringing that product from primary market to secondary markets or miller, you use truck, railway, wagons. Okay, then miller or retailer levels, from bringing that product from miller to wholesaler. Okay, and retailers use truck, railway wagons and mini trucks. In case of consumers, for bringing that product from a retailer to his doorsteps, he used head load, pack on animals, bullocks, hand cart and rickshaws. For export purpose, we use ship and air cargo, majorly ship. Okay, then storage. What are the different kind of storage structures or storage methods are used in pulses crops? Okay, in traditionals, we use some common structure like mud bean koti, that is kangi, then metal drum, gunny bags. These are used for storaging purpose in traditionals. And some improved beans like pusa koti, nanda beans, then hapur koti, then PU beans, BKV beans, chittur stores. These are the improved bin-like structures for storing the pulses crops. Then warehouses. And warehouses like for the purpose of protecting its quality and quantities. Scientific methods used in different organizations like Central Warehousing Corporation, State Warehousing Corporation, NAFEDs. Okay, then CAPs. Okay, these are the another methods. In case of cereals, this also method used, and here also. Okay, CAP for long form purpose, cover and plinth, and last one silos. So these are the common storage structures used in pulses storage purpose. Same in case of cereals also and pulses also. Okay, then grading. Grading means sorting of homogeneous lots of the produce according to its fixed standards or according to its fixed grades based on its size, shape, colors, sweet, cleans or some holes, free molds. Okay, these are the some parameters or basis for this grading and sorting of pulses crops. Then processing. Pulses are rich in protein. It is that is nearly about containing nearly about 20 to 25% of proteins, and nearly about 10 to 15% of Indians food grains diets, means nearly about within the whole diet of the Indian peoples, nearly about 10 to 15% contributed only by this pulses crop only. Then they are mainly consumed in the form of dehusked split, that is in the form of dal, and means nearly about 75% of pulses are consumed in the form of dal, and other pulses use of pulses like parched gram, basins and cattle feeds. Okay, then pulses milling is the third largest industry after rice and wheat processing industries. Okay, dal may be further processed by grinding into flours, that is in the form of besan. So this is about the processing of pulses. Then packaging. For packaging purpose, we use jute bag, HDPE bag or PP bag, then polyethylene bag, then poly pouches and cloth bags. These are the packaging structure or packaging devices used for packaging of pulses crop. Okay, then distributions. How the distributions of pulses takes place from producer to dal miller to consumers. From producer to village merchant to dal miller, wholesaler, retailers, consumers. Okay, and next figures we will see on details. Here, from producer to village trader to consumers. Okay, then from producer, so from producer to village trader to wholesaler to final consumers. From producer to commission agent to wholesaler to final consumers. Actually, we have channelized this in two channels in the form of, one is the private channels, that is means within the farmers to any other marketing agencies, and here is in the form of institutional, means through FCI or NAFEDs. Okay, then from producer to commission agent to wholesaler to consumers. Then from producer to commission agent to dal millers to retailers to final consumers. Okay, then from producer to wholesaler to retailer to final consumers. Then from producer to village traders, then village trader to dal miller to retailer, and finally consumer. In case of institutional channels, we have from producer to procuring agency, from any procuring agency like NAFEDs, FCIs or CWC. Okay, then from that one to then the fair price shop, finally consumers. Then from procurement agency to retailer to final consumers. From procurement agency to the dal miller to the wholesaler, and finally consumer. These are the major distribution channels for distribution of pulses crops. Now, if we see the export and import of these dal crops, you could find where our import is an more than export. Even though we are top in the productions, we are top in the importing of pulses crops, because these pulses are the major part of our daily diets. Okay, then some constraint in case of marketing of pulses crop. First one, distress sale during the time of peak harvesting time. Okay, the prices of pulses are low. That time majorly farmer, due to its financial needs, they sell the thing they produce immediately after productions. That time they get very low price. Then unstable prices. The prices of pulses are very unstable. Even in last year also, in case of tur crops, there is a very too much variation in the prices of. Then lack of marketing information. There are lack of inadequate market-led extension services. Then adaptation of standardization grading practices are very low. Then inadequate storage facilities at rural area. Nowadays also there is a lacking of storage facility for storing these pulses crops. Then transportation facilities at poor producer levels. We have very cheap or very low levels transportation facilities at producer levels. Then training of producer don't have any knowledge about grading, sorting, storaging of these pulses crops. Then malpractices, various kind of malpractices or unhealthy practices also going in this marketing of pulses crops. And superfluous middlemen. In this, middlemen are very dominant in marketing of pulses crops. So this is about the marketing of important pulses crop in India. Today we have seen about marketing of important pulses crop in India. Okay, in case of gram, red gram, black gram and green grams. These pulses are the major protein source of vegetarian diets. It contains nearly about 20 to 25% of proteins. Okay, India is largest producer, largest importer and largest consumers. Some important pulses are chickpea, pigeon pea, moong, urid, masoor, peas. These are the important pulses crops. And states like Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana, UP, West Bengal, Telangana and some coastal part of Andhra. Then some assembling markets. Okay, then transportation, means of transportation or different ways or methods used for the purpose of transporting the pulses crops. Then storage structures in traditionals like used various mudbun koti, metal drums and gunny bags. In improved used some beans like potta beans, the kusa beans, then nadia beans, hapur beans, then pu beans, pkv beans, and chittur stores. And a warehouse this used by this various cwc, swc or napeds. Okay, then cover and beans methods also used and silos. Okay, then grading based on size, shape, colors, mixture of other material, mixture of broken grains, then add mixture of different varieties. This also after on gradings. Then processing, pulses are majorly processed into in the form of dal. Nearly about 75% of pulses are consumed in the form of dal only. Okay, and it is an important part of the Indian diet. Means out of total consumption, we are consuming nearly about 10 to 15% of these pulses products. Okay, then some other products like basons, then roasted beans. Okay, then packaging for the purpose of packaging we are using jute bag, HDPE bag, PP bag, polythene, poly pouches, and cloth bags. Then distributions, how the distribution of pulses are takes place. These are the channels. We have categorized into two types. First one is private and second one is institutional, or we can say unorganized, organized. Okay, then these are the some problems in case of marketing of pulses. Now if they ask a question for write in details about marketing of gram crops, okay, you need to stick with only gram crops. Okay, if they ask for marketing of important pulses crops, you need to write on these options. Okay, and if they ask for marketing of marketing major constraint in case of pulses crop, you need to write these constraints. Okay, this 7 up to 7 steps for marketing, means marketing of pulses crops, and if they ask for constraint, you need to write this one. So this is about to today's whole lecture. Thank you.